Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to center an image. So for example, I will insert image, you can type HTML, and then use the image tag to insert image. Now you can insert for the image address. So I will use this image as example. You can copy for address, paste in it. And after it, we can add for the image name cat.jpg. Now if you save, and I will repaste in the browser, will be show for the image in the left. If you want to make center, we can use the center tag. So in there I will add for the center. And then we can cut this tag. You can paste after the image tag. We can save again, and you can refresh the browser. The image will be moved into the center point. Okay, that's it for basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to center an image. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.